Good afternoon guys, gagawa tayo ng chicken strips. Yan, marinated chicken with soy sauce, vinegar, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Ayan yung egg. 1 egg lang yan siya guys. Para sa ating mixture. Ayan, with salt and pepper, flour, and corn flour. Tapos ganyan ang magiging resulta. Bali, ano mo na yan siya doon guys. Ilulubog yung manok. Tapos, ready to fry. Yung ating homemade chicken strips. Yan. Hindi siya spicy kasi ayaw ng mga alaga ko guys. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.